Hey there, friend. Today we are going to break the number 48 into tiny pieces called prime factors. We will use something cool called the ladder method. It looks like a little ladder we build step by step. Before we start, let's remember what prime numbers are. A prime number is a number that can only be split into one in itself. Like 2, 3, 5, and 7. We will use these little numbers to break 48 apart. Let's set up our ladder. We write 48 on the right side. Now we ask, can we split 48 into two equal parts? Yes, we can. 48 is an even number, so 2 works. 48 split into two equal parts gives us 24. We write 24 below. Now we ask again, can we split 24 into two equal parts? Yes, 24 is even too. 24 split into two equal parts gives us 12. We write 12 below. Can we split 12 into two equal parts? Yes, we can. 12 is even, so let's keep going. 12 split into two equal parts gives us 6. We write 6 below. Can we split 6 into two equal parts? Yes, 6 is still even. One more time with 2. 6 split into two equal parts gives us 3. Now look, 3 is not even, so 2 won't work anymore. But 3 is a prime number. So we split 3 by itself. 3 split into 3 equal parts gives us 1. When we reach 1, we stop. Our ladder is done. Now we just read all the numbers on the left side of the ladder. Now let's read all the numbers on the left side of our ladder. We see 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. So 48 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Those are all prime numbers. We can write this in a short way. Since we have 4 2's, we write 2 to the power of 4 times 3. So the prime factors of 48 are 2 and 3. Great job! You climbed the whole ladder.